Okay, children, let's start the chapter that is my hobby. The objective of studying this chapter is to enable you to know what are hobbies and the different types of hobbies. Now you can see here some of the items displayed here. You can see a camera, you can see here pot, you can see here ball, cycle, fish, cake making, reading, singing, music. So these are some of the interesting hobbies, or you can say activities, which people do like to do during their free time. So what is a hobby? A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Hobbies makes your life more interesting. The work which you enjoy doing, then that work makes create interest and you like to do more. So children, let's see the different types of hobbies. Now you can see that sports and games, outdoor activities, arts, collections, making. Now under sports and games, now football, badminton, cricket, video game, yoga, running, swimming, etc. These are the games which comes under sports and games. So these activities makes you more healthy and energetic. Outdoor activities are those activities which are done out of the house. It can be bird watching, it can be gardening, traveling, trekking, mountaineering. The activities which are done out of the house are called outdoor activities. Arts. Under arts, what types of hobby comes? Let's see. Painting, singing, reading and writing, dancing, and photography. Now, from painting and singing, we can enhance our creativity. Reading and writing gives us more knowledge. Dancing, all these increases our creativity. Photography increases our creativity. Collection of coins, as I like collecting old coins of different countries. Whichever coins I get, I like collecting. So from there I get the knowledge of different currencies, stamps, leaves, feathers. So this gives you the knowledge of collecting coins and stamps, gives you the knowledge of different countries. Making scrapbooks, pottery, and cooking. Now you can like to make anything with clay. You may like to cook sometime, you may like to help your mother sometime to prepare a good food. So these are some of the activities which people like to do during their free times. And behind these activities there are some benefits. Benefits of hobbies. Now let's see what are the benefits of this hobbies. Hobbies like exercises, sports and games keeps us healthy. You can see the first point. If these activities keeps us healthy. Second point, hobbies like painting, writing and cooking helps us to create something new. From painting you can create a very good picture. From writing you can create a good poem. You can write something, few lines about a mother. You can create a These are the hobbies. And cooking you can help your mother, and you may create good food, you may make good food. Third point is, hobbies like knitting and pottery helps us to make useful things with clay. With These are the things which you with which you can make a good things, like you can make diyas. Okay, so the fourth point is, hobbies like reading books helps us to learn new things. As I told you, through reading books you get a knowledge and you learn new things about the various you get a knowledge of various things. A collection of stamps and coins also helps us to learn about different countries. When you collect the stamps of different countries, you get the knowledge of different countries and as well as coins. Last, all the hobbies which involve group activities like playing football, cricket, etc., help us to learn to work in group. When we do group work, children, when you get a group work, we learn how to coordinate with our friends and how to work as a team. So children, for today is this. and you read this chapter. This is from the book itself. Go through it. Thank you.